Yes, so last minute meet in Belgrave Sq in Knightsbridge. Yeah, still counts as Knightsbridge. So yeah, last minute I was with my brother-in-law going to view a car. And yeah, so last minute decision and I'm on my way, so can't wait. Venga boys are coming. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, on my way. So, because of all the bridge closures, so gotta cross the bridge, so, and because there's so many closures, it's a ball ache to get around London before crossing the bridge. So Putney Bridge, ball ache for me, plus also doesn't really lead where we're going from my house, but it's the closest bridge. Next one up, Wandsworth, closed, second closest bridge to me, would go direct, but it's closed. I think so. We're crossing at Queenstown, Chelsea Bridge, Queenstown Road, my old stomping grounds. I know it well, but slow as fuck. So in traffic, it's getting a bit dark now. It's 6:26. Probably last good weekend of the year. Realistically, it's 23rd of September. So it's got a bit fresh. But yeah, behind the name GGT, queuing to go see the Venga boys. Alright, Belgrave Sq, we're here. So, just gonna go around. There's loads of embassies and police around here, so camera might disappear a bit erratically. But ultimately, we're here. Yeah, so permit parking, of course. S2000s have aged so well, like so well. They were never like ugly or shit, but now they've just aged, and that thing is fucking aggro. I don't even know what kit it is or what. Hard tops, big flex. That bumper looks aggressive. Oh yeah, so obviously a S2000 meet going on. Green G-Wagon, kind of sick. Juice!
No, oh, this is actually fine.
It's definitely not fine.
You know what? It's calm. You lot haters. Literally. When you see me and Manto, with 3 birds in the back. There you go. Just straight garden.
K&N, so it's already faster than yours.
Yeah.
Yeah, it adds like 50 horsepower.
Right, look, we ain't gonna go racing.
Yeah, no, you see, that's nitro.
For
right?
pinks.
That's nitro.
What is that?
Catch can? What do you mean, what is that?
Fucking no mango, yeah.
What type of fucking race car driver are you?
Slow one, clearly.
What?
Interesting.
Yeah, stunning. Happening.
We got to shout World Star. So you got the armed 5.0. Jeez, so you've got armed police and a crash. Crash just happened. But the armed police are telling them to just drive off.
Behind the G-Wagon. I mean, obviously they need to be served.
It's all going off. Everybody's, yo, it's all happening, it's all happening. I'm just gonna rest it here on Dino's wing, so we can have a live commentary.
It's so minor and pathetic, isn't it?
using Dino's wing for something useful, so we can get a full live feed of.
I was a witness. If anyone needs me, I was a witness. I witnessed this 10-mile-an-hour bumper to bumper thing.
Yeah.
There's left no mark.
No, absolutely no damage.
Is there any sign of anything? Damage, bit of damage. Fender bender.
5 O's there, 5 O's there.
Bert's been there before. I was never there.
Oh, you know what I should have done? Should have brought my mic. So I could have gone in and live interviewed everybody.
That would really help the situation I reckon right now.
Live and direct. My mic. My mic. Go and ask the police if you can hold their gun. See if they let you.
That's a fucking great idea, mate. I really don't value my life enough, so I might just do that, yeah. They're actually sweet. They're always here. Basically, it's a Turkish embassy. And
I thought you were going to say they were Turkish. They don't look Turkish.
Maybe? You never know. But no, it's a Turkish embassy and it's got 24/7 protection from the police. They're always sweet ass as well.
Yeah, because they're sweet ass because they got big old guns.
Sponge. Dudes, innit? Yeah.
Fucking sponge that'll buff out.
Oh, yeah, that's
It's
not.
just how...
I don't even.
That's nuts, man. So kicking off a Venga Fest.
Venga boys.
Free babe. No, Venga Fest Lite.
Light.
Yeah, light.
Where do we get the full fat one?
But the full fat one happens in Richmond.
Oh, still.
Literally a bit of water.
It's so good. DC5R. Championship white. These are very, very good news.
I don't like the looks of the one.
Okay, so long wheelbase 740 IL. So this is absolutely aggressive. Style 32s, they look huge. Rear long wheel, tables, 2 V's in the headrest. Very, very nice. Oh Mike, what the fuck's going on with these Star 32s? They're huge.
Yeah, 20 inch ones, man.
I didn't even know they did Star 32s in 20s.
The 7 afterwards and the 66s.
Oh, right.
And you can still buy them brand new from BM.
You can get these on a...
Do it. Alright, so we're done. So we're gonna roll out now and go home. Yes, so it's not done. It was done, but now I'm gonna go Leto to pick up a couple of slices of cake for my wife and I. It's our favorite patisserie. So a couple of slices of cake, I might get a coffee. It's not even that late, it's like 9:30. But yeah, so let's go and get some cake.